Start.
Hello everyone, a pleasant day to all of you. At this juncture, we're going to share some information regarding chemistry. But before that, allow us to introduce ourselves first. I am Ms. Rizal Tarazan and these are my group mates, Ms. Kinri Tagura and Ms. Radilisa Lamas. We are the college students of CDU Danao City Campus and we're taking up Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering.
So, without any further ado, we're very grateful to show you the outcome of our experiment. We assure you that you can gain learnings and can gather more information from these videos.
So now our topic is all about physical and chemical changes. Matter undergoes three types of changes, and the three types of changes are the physical, chemical, and nuclear change. In this experiment, we will operationally differentiate physical from chemical change. Most of our laboratories do not have the facility for tests involving nuclear changes. Thus, only the first two changes will be observed in this experiment. So when can we say that this undergoes physical change? Looking back for its definition, we have physical change. Physical change is one in which the physical appearance is changed, but the intensive property and identity of the substance is retained. So now, we're going to illustrate some examples. We have here the salt and the water. If the combining of salt enter the water, salt is soluble in water. That's the reason why we cannot see the salt substance clearly. But even if the salt dissolves in water, we can still consider this as a physical change because the property and identity of the salt retains in the water. And another one is powderizing naphthalene balls. Notice the original round shape of naphthalene balls. After being powderized, we can observe its new form. It is now in a crystalline appearance. So changes in shape, size, and length are also considered as a physical change. Next is the second type of change, the chemical change. Chemical change is one which products, substances with new, intensive, and identifying properties are formed, and the composition of the original substance is changed. Heat, light, electricity, and solution are often instrumental in starting chemical changes. In many cases, too, they are produced as an immediate result of such changes. So here are some examples of chemical change. Combining baking soda with a vinegar. Upon pouring the baking soda towards the vinegar, we can notice that bubbles are being produced. The formation of these bubbles is often called as the evolution of gas. And evolution of gas is one of the evidence that we should take note for us to determine a chemical change. And another example is burning of paper. Burning of paper. Take note of the properties of the paper before being burned. Now, we're going to burn this paper, and when it's totally burned, we can now notice that the paper slowly turns into ashes. So, the identity of the paper is being changed due to production of heat. And that's all about our experiment. Thank you for